My name's Peter Gravely. I'm the IT manager for Snyder Paper in Hickory, North Carolina. We manufacture furniture cushions and distribute industrial packaging products and food packaging products in about 7 locations around North and South Carolina. We use J.D. Edwards World as our ERP system, and we've been using Spreadsheet Server for about 8 years. Been through several upgrades of it, and we're using version 14 now. We had lots of islands of information. You know, if I had to do a sales report, I had to do a budget report, you know, purchasing, whatever. It was pretty much each thing stood by itself. And the reports were all over the map as far as what types of things you did. We had lots of printed reports coming out of J.D. Edwards, just text data, you know, with the columns and subtotals, and lots of those reports were being taken and data was being keyed into Excel sheets for further analysis. Then we managed to at least get started where a lot of people were transferring data from J.D. Edwards to Excel and then doing various spreadsheets from there as far as the totaling, the sorting, the graphing, things like that. Principally sales, inventory, purchasing type reports, manufacturing reports. Sales, and we have a whole series of reports that go to our sales reps on a monthly basis, and then also go to their managers. And so it would be things like top 25 sales in this period compared to a previous year, accounts where sales are up, accounts where sales are down. We were looking, one of the things we'd never really looked at before was, you know, the cost associated with creating a purchase order, with bringing the product in, with receiving it, stocking it, things on like that. And even though we've had some pretty significant growth in our company over the last few years, some mergers, some acquisitions, some expansions into some new business areas, even though we've had quite a lot of growth, we've seen that our average purchase orders are much larger and there's fewer of them, which is good. Probably the reporting side, we've cut from a couple of days to one. I mean, it's been about a 50% reduction, and more importantly than the time reduction has been that we've standardized the data. We've got consistent reporting across departments, divisions. You know, now because we've tried to control it and standardize it, if we look at a sales report here, you know, you compare 2 or 3 different sales reps. Now we know they're all looking at basically the same thing. And the consistency's been the bigger benefit to us than perhaps the speed.